Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and welcome to the Man Cave. Today we are going to visit the patient, the Ferrari 308, and see how she is doing. And we're gonna do that in a great fashion. But first, I got myself a little present. I got some new mats for the Ford. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, because the old one, well, there's a hole in it. So I ordered new one at autocotton.nl. Yes, Dutch site. Perfect fit. I just tested them. Yeah, perfect. They fit perfect. Look very clean. So, and very cheap for only 60 euros. Got 4 mats. The Ford is looking like new from the inside again. Will look like new from the inside again. Like I said, we are going to visit the 308 just to see how she's doing and if there's any progress made. If there's a possibility we can drive her soon. I pray. Yeah, and we're gonna do that in style. We're gonna drive the 599. Well, we're not gonna drive, we're gonna be a passenger, but fast forward in the 599. What a sound, look. And we're about to approach a tunnel. That's a good thing. Oh, you gotta love that car. The V12 sounds amazing, guys. If you ever have the chance, jump in a 599. Well, this is a perfect moment. Here we are, my 308. Standing here ready for me, and we're gonna do the first start in 5 years. Yes. I can't wait. Oh, it feels so good to get back in. Wow. Let's do this. 5 years. This is insane. 5 years, guys. Yeah. Well, patience is rewarded, definitely. How did you think that sounded? It was amazing, come on. Well, guys, absolutely, I'm so happy. After 5 years, this was my Ferrari 308. Finally, it started, and I started it myself, and just like pop. I'm so happy, guys. Now we are off with the 599 to Gijs, that way, yeah. And just to make an appointment for the paint finishing touches, because we have straight on. We have some small jobs left on the paint and we need to do them quickly, and the wheels need to be painted, etc. So we're gonna go to Gijs, make an appointment about how we're gonna do that, and then when everything goes to plan, it will be like this. Probably in 2-3 weeks the brake system will be ready. Then the car goes to Gijs. Hopefully we can convince Gijs to do the project in maximum 2 or 3 weeks. Just get on with it. And then it's going back to Gus. Gus is gonna prepare her for their legal tests, you know, the APK, we call that in Dutch. And then we're ready to get back on the road, and that will be amazing. Come on. Reality is we need to test drive the car a long time before we can really do something interesting, exciting, but at least as long as I'm driving, I am happy. Here we go. We're gonna go right on to the center. So you know what, I'm not gonna bother you with our visit to Gijs, but I am gonna bother you with a lovely shot of the 599. And meanwhile, I want to thank you for watching. Hopefully see you again next time, and a goodbye. I wasn't expecting that.